Hello friends, I am Amit Banerjee and welcome to my channel xledutech Empower Yourself. Hope you are all well. Friends, this is my second video. Expecting that you have already watched my first video on reverse Vlookup and get feeling you have enjoyed that very much. Today in this video I am going to discuss about very popular and most frequently used Vlookup function of MS Excel. I will tell you when we will use this function and obviously show you how to use it. For this, you must have to watch my video till end. So, first of all, what is VLOOKUP function? The term VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. As the name specifies, VLOOKUP is a built-in Excel function that helps you look for a specified value by searching it vertically across the sheet. Next, when we will use this VLOOKUP function? When we need to find any information in a large spreadsheet, or we are always looking for the same kind of information, generally we use VLOOKUP function. In other way, for our better understanding, we may say that VLOOKUP works like a telephone directory, where for searching any phone number for a particular person, we have to search the name of the person first and then we will find the phone number for that person aside. Now, for your information, VLOOKUP function generally used in our regular professional life by three ways. First way, here source dataset and the target table where I will apply VLOOKUP function will be within the same sheet. Second way, here source dataset and the target table where I will apply VLOOKUP function will be in different worksheet of same Excel workbook, right? Now third way, here I will open two different Excel workbooks or Excel files and source dataset will be in a sheet of one workbook and the target table where I will apply VLOOKUP function will be in a sheet of another workbook. Got it? So without wasting any time, let's come to the practical session of this video. For this, in sheet 1 of this workbook, I have taken two separate tables here. One is our source table, which is in our left of the screen, and the other is our target table, which is in our right of the screen. The source table is populated by marks obtained by different students for different subjects, and I have copied this table as a target table, but I have deleted all the marks here. This is because I will apply VLOOKUP formula here to fetch marks for respective students according to their subjects. I have also copied the source table to sheet 2, right, of this workbook and to sheet 1 of separate workbook. Okay. At first, I am showing first way to do VLOOKUP, right? For this, I will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means I will use Vlookup function separately for 6 columns. Actually, I will show you for 2 columns, and that will be continued for rest of the columns. So for this, I am typing here equals to Vlookup. This is our lookup value. And now what is lookup value? The lookup value is the value on the basis of which I will fetch the data from our source table. So here Aditya is my lookup value right now, right? Next, comma. Next comes table array. What is the table array? Table array means the whole set of data. Means this whole range is our table array. And don't forget to freeze it by pressing F4 function key. Next, it is asking for column index. Now as I am typing formula for English, and so English in source table, English is in column number 2. That is why I have to type here 2. Next, 0 for exact match. See, the marks obtained by Aditya 60 appears here in English. Let's check from our source table. Where is Aditya? Here is Aditya. Aditya got 60 in English. So here also Aditya got 60 in English. Now I will copy this formula vertically along rest of the cells. To do this, select those cells and press Ctrl D. And see, all the marks for all the students in English appears here. So let's check for Kullan. Kullan got 95 in English. Kullan got 95 in English. So this is Vlookup function I have typed here for English column. Okay. Now for math column, I am also typing the Vlookup function. See, equals to Vlookup, lookup value, table array. This is our table array. Freeze it by pressing F4. Now math is in column number 3 in source table. So put 3 here, then put 0 for exact match. Hit enter key. See, Aditya got 99 in maths. Aditya got 99 in maths. So next, I am copying this formula vertically by pressing Ctrl D. Like this, we can do Vlookup for rest of the subjects. Now, see one thing. If we have to find all the marks for all the students like this, it will take many times, much time. So to minimize this, I am typing here now one Vlookup formula, and I will copy that formula throughout our array of tables, and you will find that all the marks will appear at once. So let's try for it. Equals to Vlookup, lookup value is Aditya. Now remember, here I have to freeze M column. Okay, in order to do so, I have to press F4 column 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, a dollar symbol appears before M. It means M column is being freezed now. Okay. Then table array. Table array is this set of data, this range of data. Press F4 for freezing it. Next, column index. Here the trick comes. For column index, instead of typing number as a column index, I will use here columns function of Excel. So type columns columns. Now it is asking for array. So array is, as I am typing in English column, so array will be starting from student name to English. Okay, close the bracket. Then 0 for exact match. But remember, M4 here means the column in which student name is there, it must be freeze by pressing F4. Next, hit the enter key. See the result. Aditya got 60 in English. I have faced the data and compare this data with the source table. Where is Aditya? Aditya got 60 in English, right? Now I am copying this formula horizontally. In order to do so, I select all the rest of the cells horizontally and I am pressing Ctrl R. Now let's check for Aditya. Aditya got 60 in English, here 60 in English, got 99 in math, got 99 in maths, got 94 in physics, 94 in physics, 99 in computer, 99 in computer, right? Now I will copy this formula vertically. For copying this formula vertically, press Ctrl D. See, all the data means marks appears here for all the students. Okay, so this is the first way of doing Vlookup. Now the second way. In the second way, for this I am deleting all the marks here. Okay. Next, here is the target table, and in means target table in sheet 1 and in sheet 2 here is our source table, right? So in target table I am typing the formula equals to Vlookup value freeze M column table array. What is the table array? Table array is in sheet 2. Come to the sheet 2 and select the range of data. Okay, press F4. Then I will use here columns function for column index number. So columns. Okay, it is asking for array. So come to the sheet 1. Array will be student name to English. Okay, here I will freeze this. Next, comma 0 for exact match. 60. Aditya got 60. Okay, in English, here also 60. Then I will copy this formula horizontally by pressing Ctrl R. Okay, the whole set of data for Aditya comes here. Next, I will copy this vertically for rest of the cells. So press Ctrl D for it. See, all the data comes here, right? This is the second way. Okay. Now the third way. For this, I am again deleting the data. So this is our target table, and for source table I have taken another workbook. Of this workbook, sheet 1, the source table is okay, and according to means from this source table I will fetch the data to another sheet of another Excel workbook. So here I am typing the formula, right? Equals to Vlookup, lookup value, freeze column M, then table array. What is the table array? This is in separate sheet, means this workbook. Select the data. By default, this is freezed. Okay. So next, column index. I will use here columns function of Excel. COLU columns. Okay. It is asking for array. So for this, I will again come to the previous sheet. Array will be from student name to English. Okay. Comma 0 for exact match. And remember, M4 cell should be freezed by pressing F4. So the marks of Aditya for English is 60. So copy this formula horizontally. For this, I am pressing Ctrl R, and now copy this formula vertically for rest of the cells. For this, I am pressing Ctrl V. Okay. So this is how VLOOKUP works. And like previously, I definitely tell you that this video is made for you all, such that you better understand the subject, and I am assuring you that definitely it will help a lot in your professional career. Hope that you all have enjoyed this session, and I am telling you that this is not the end. There is lots of topic on which I am going to make videos on them is waiting for you. So wait a little to enjoy another upcoming video shortly. But yes, don't forget to share and like this video, and also press on the subscribe button if you not already subscribed my channel, and definitely click on bell icon to get notified for new additions. And obviously you can also give comment down there in the comment box. So friends, I have already given below my channel URL and also the list of videos till now I have covered for your easy access and learnings. This list will get increased as I make new video for you in regular interval, right? So that's all for today friends. Thank you very much.